Find the area of the shaded region, then solve for x given that the area shaded region is 25 square units. So we need to get the area of the big rectangle minus the small rectangle. Okay, so let's get the area of the big rectangle. It's going to be x plus 5 times 2x plus 3. Okay, and we are going to use the arches. X times 2x is our first term. It's going to be 2x squared. 5 times 3, we're using the full, is plus 15. 5 times 2x is plus 10x. X times 3 is plus 3x. 10x plus 3x is plus 13x in it. And now we're going to get the small rectangle, and we're going to subtract it, right? So we're going to have a minus sign here, and it's just 3x times 4 in it. 3x times 4 is what? 12x. So if you subtract this, 13x minus 12x, all we could group are the x's, right? So we're going to group 13x and 12x. We'll have 2x squared plus 1x plus 15 equals, and the area of that shaded region is 25 square units. Okay, so now then I need to set this equal to 0. To solve a quadratic, you set it equal to 0. So I'm going to have 2x squared plus x minus 10 equal to 0. When I get here, I could factor it, or I could use a quadratic equation, can I? I could either factor it, or I could use a quadratic equation. I'm going to go ahead and factor it. My factors of 10 are 1 and 10 and 2 and 5. And my factors of 2 are 1 and 2 with the 2 blanks, aren't they? So I need to subtract and get 1. Subtract and get 1. And the 2 and 5 work. If I put the 2 here and the 5 here, 1 times 5 is 5, and 2 times 2 is 4. I'm going to draw my x, put my parentheses down here. This sign will be positive. This means they're going to be different. Okay, and it's equal to 0. And then 5 is larger than 4. The number to the left is that 5, and it's paired with the 2. So 2x plus 5. And then over here, I'm going to have x minus 2. Okay, so now then I need to solve this. So I'm going to have 2x plus 5 equals 0, or I could have x minus 2 equals 0. Okay, so right here, we're going to subtract 5. We'll get 2x equal negative 5. It's a negative 5. And divide by 2, and you'll get x equal negative 5 over 2. Can x be a negative number in a rectangle? No. So this is not a real solution. We want the positive solution. Right here, if we add 2, we would get x equal 2, wouldn't we? And that's it, isn't it? So x would equal to 2, wouldn't it? So I'm going to go over here. The value of x would be 2.